So I don't have this kind of lettuce, and I love this one because
Yeah,
I
it's
can
very
see
nice.
I can see the leaves are very strong. You
We
see,
bought it from Hilda's warehouse
wow.
there by Loma.
And
This is
here you
carrot.
have like carrots, and
Mm.
you know what must you do? You can what you call it? Just show me the light here. You must separate or just loosen the soil around this because
Okay.
carrots want to.
They don't like tight soil.
No, they don't like tight soil because they must swell out, you see, to become bigger.
Okay.
To become
Okay.
bigger. But you are doing
Okay.
good. When you are going to build this again, buy a potting soil. You
I
see,
think this
potting.
is potting soil
Is
my
it
husband
potting
bought.
soil?
Yeah.
Okay, now to make it like fluffy, like soft, buy 1 or 2 blocks of Conco. I'm going to send you the name
Mm.
through
Yeah.
WhatsApp.
So that I
Then
don't
you
forget.
buy Conco, and then, but I will give you the recipe. I will give you the recipe because that thing is gonna loosen your
The soil.
soil and
Okay.
also perlite. It is like a white stuff, but I
Mm.
will explain to you via WhatsApp. You see,
Then there's here also we planted stuff, but this one is struggling a lot.
I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh,
This one is struggling a lot.
hi. Hey, you started most.
We're tired of buying from shops.
Of course, of course. And you see, this is most beetroot.
This is
Beetroot.
beetroot.
Ah,
This is beetroot. We just need to
ah.
weed it
Yeah,
out.
this is, yeah, but it doesn't
Mm.
matter. If you have time, you will do that, you see. Will
Mm.
do that. That is what I also do. If I visit my garden, I just get rid of the of wheat. What is this? Also tomatoes. Tomatoes.
I don't
Yes,
know.
this is
Is it tomato?
tomatoes. Yes, this is
Okay,
tomatoes. You
my
must
husband
turn it
planted.
out.
This is my husband's garden. That one is
Okay.
mine.
Yes, but
So he knows what is
yes,
here.
and you must turn it out. Turn it out. You see,
Yeah, I think he just threw
and
the
put.
seeds.
Yes,
Mm.
and put it in a bigger
This is
container. You
carrots,
see,
I think.
this is the culprit, the slug. You see, the slug is
Okay.
eating. Slug is eating your stuff, my
How
dear.
can you feed on
Yeah,
us?
yeah, yeah. But I'm so proud of you, my
We
friend.
trying.
Do
Look
you
here
have
also.
something else at the
Then
other
here,
side?
this is my beetroot. It's coming out
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
This one is coming
I
out
can see healthy
nice.
stuff here.
Mm.
Ooh, one of these days you will have your own beet.
You know, stop going to
And you love your succulents. Your what?
what is it?
Your succulents is fit plant.
What is
Fit
succulents?
plant in Afrikaans. It is like this. It is like this. Succulents.
Okay,
It
I
is
don't
like
even
a
know the
fit. It
names.
is like a in Afrikaans you call it fit plant. It is like a
Mm.
plant with this fat, thick,
Thick leaves.
thick leaf.
Okay.
Yes, yes. But I hear you are trying to speak Afrikaans now.
Hey, ek
Ja, my sister,
probeer.
ja, jy
Ek
probeer.
probeer.
Baie oulik. Kykie, ek is mos Afrikaans, jy weet,
Ek
you know mos, jy
weet, ek
weet. Nou,
weet.
maar al is ek Afrikaans, ek gooi
Nou
so die Engels, gooi ek so tussenin.
it's moeilik
Is
vir
moeilik.
my
Yes,
om te leer
yes.
uh,
Afrikaans, yes, try,
Afrikaans
yes, try.
en om te praat.
Nothing wrong with by
Om te
trying.
praat
Ja,
is
probeer,
what is
probeer,
it? Difficult.
probeer. You try to speak
What is
Afrikaans.
difficult?
Difficult, moeilijk.
Moeilik, yeah.
Moeilijk.
That's what I wanted to say. It's
Yeah.
moeilik.
Oh, my friend, but
Maar
it is
ek
so nice visiting
probeer.
you in the dark. But at least I could see some stuff of yours in your garden. I'm so proud of
I'm
you.
happy. I'm
Yes.
happy. The doctor of the garden is here, so I'm gonna get advice.
But thank
I'm
you
gonna
so
get-
much. Thank you so much for your
I'm
time.
gonna
Thank you
get
so
some.
much for showing me your garden. And I will talk to you. Yes, friends, I am Maggie in the Eastern Cape, as you know by now. I'm visiting my friend from where you coming from again?
Ooh, from everywhere.
From every yes,
from
she's
Transkei, from
she's a
Western
lady.
Cape, from
She yes.
Northwest. I've been around.
Listen, do you hear that? She's from
Mm,
all over the world. I'm
from
so
all
fortunate.
over.
But thanks, guys. Talk again to you in the new day. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye.